What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video out in East LA. Just hit up the Citadel, now hitting up East LA. I just saw one of the resellers who I saw over there, and then all right, let's go see what's up. Let's go see if they got any deals, but hopefully better than Citadel, man. All right, let's see what they got. Dang, they've had these here for a while now. That'd have been dope last week with the 20% off. Dang, so no sales at Citadel, but they do have a sale here. Okay. 2 bills for the big bangs right here. That's not bad. Remember, you did get 20% off. Air Max 97s, 185. This is dope. The Alpha Fly Next Percent's 150. 20% off, dude. That's like what, 120? 120. That's almost as cheap as the clearance store. That's what's up. Remember, they do have refurbished stuff here. No dope stuff in the size 10 though. Just these 81 for these. More size 10. Oh, size 9. They got these in 10s as well. 130 for those. Some golf shoes if you like those. Infinity Pros go for 72. Oops. My bad. Victory 1 slides going for $10, and then you get another 20% off. Not bad. LeBrons, they're going for 2 bills. I thought they've been lowering the price. Maybe not this specific one. This is the one with the food on the tongue. I don't really know what colorway this is. I'm gonna have to get a pair of LeBron 19s. So 2 bills, you get 20 off. Kyrie Infinities, I kind of want one of these too. Retail though. Checking the smaller sizes now. 175 for size 8 right here. More Kyrie size 9.5 retail. What? Look at this one. This is going for $60. $60, and then you get the freaking 20% off. Dang, that's under $50. Holy crap. They had my size. I'd totally get that. I did check the Nike app. Make sure you guys check the Nike app. I don't even ask the workers anymore because so many of them lie. But this is what it is. But yeah, none my size. It's the only one here. Dang, $50. These are going for $60. Holy crap. That's so cheap. Damn. There's Nike Refurbished though. 9.5 Blazers going for regular price. Presto Quick Strikes, the Hello Kitties go for 110. You get 20 off on top of that. Wow. Now I'm checking the price of all the Kyries. 130 for these. These are size 8. Yeah, 120 for those. No, 110 for these. All right, let's check out the bigger sizes. Checking out the bigger sizes. Size 10 Nike by You. Okay, Infinity Refinement 3s. Oh, dang, okay. Going by for 108. Remember, get the extra 20. Air Max 90s right here. Size 12 going for 140. Size 11. These have been here forever. Some Blazers going for $53. These are gently worn. Jordan 1 Low Golf right here. Size 11. These, man, they use some nice leather on these golf ones. Man, way better than the typical Jordan 1 Lows. I have one in my car that I'm wearing today. 140 there. Size 11. Look, these are going down further and further. $15. $15. Wow. More LeBrons right here. What they go for? $169.99. Size 12. Oh, $149.99. Yep. I was like, what, does it say 119? Oh yeah, there it is. Alpha Fly Next Percent. Better right there. And then look, Vaporfly Next Percent, $100, so $80 after savings on PG 5 size 13 go for $50. We are finding some deals now. Point Lanes, size 12. You got some Jordan 7s, able to get that for 20 off. That's not bad. And then size 18's going for 90 right here. Size 14 Take 1 3s going for $100. All right, that's about it over there. Let's check out the aisles. Hydro 6s right here go for a little bit too much. Accent. Got LeBron. Seen those go down in price. Seen them at the outlet a few times now. Witness 5. Plenty of Witnesses. Yep. Another one. Then the black and cement colorway right here. KD 15s. I can't believe we're starting to see these already at the outlets. Last week they were freaking 20% off this. Fly traps. Another one of those. I'm always like, man, what was I missing? What did I miss out right here, dude? What did I miss out on? Then another fly trap right there. Dude got a couple of Jordans. Some Jordan 35 lows right here. And then the Brotherhoods, I got up to what, size 10. That's it on the Brotherhoods. Okay. All right, we're checking out the women's clearance section. Nothing too crazy. Dude got the Air Max 2017s. Going for more than the men's though. Oh, that's size 9. Some Air Force One Shadows going for 130, 9.5. Hirachis going for 120. And then we saw these different colorway in the men's. They had 2 bills in the women's section. Okay, more than the men's. Air Max 97s, a size 7 go for 180, full price. What the heck? Air More Up Tempos go for 170. That's a size 9. Air Max Theas, these are size 8.5, go for 110. And then this one's a 75. Size 11, I have tan Junes. Haven't seen these in forever. 45 for those. Size 7, 2 bills for those. Dang. Just everything regular price, 6.5, 165. Air Max 90, size 7 Apple for 80. Okay, that's not too bad. I'm not a huge fan of that colorway. I know some people love that Safari stuff. And then some Daybreaks going for 55, size 7. And then yeah, more Vapor Max. These are kind of cool, but regular price, 2 bills. That's about it. The women's clearance. Nothing to show in the women's aisles. I did go in the open area over there. I got to lay low because of workers, but nothing, dude. Just nothing worth showing. Man, maybe we'll check out the apparel real quick. Not much. All right, a couple Air Max 90s. That's it. These are 30% off. $25, 30% off on top of that. White ones as well. I was just about to say they don't have that much, but look. 20% off. Dodgers hoodies, $50, 20% off on top of that. These are pretty thin too, which is perfect for out here. Small, medium, double XL. And then Bellinger t-shirts, down to 20, normally 35. Plenty of sizes. JT Justin Turner shirts right here. Okay, same price. All right, but not much else. All right, let's go check out across the street. Let's go see what's up there. All right, there's this Foot Locker right across the street. Oh, let's see what they got right here. The door closed? What? Huh? The door is usually open. That's weird. Oh, okay, I had to open the door. All right, let's look. They got more Jordans here. They also got more sales. I haven't seen these in a while. Reverse spreads. Also got the 7s. I've never really seen these. Ooh, look at the material on that. Pretty nice. The Citrus 7s. I think that's what they're calling them. Del Sol. These are back. What the hell? And the 5s. We've seen these at a few spots now. And then their sales are even better. Look. We got the Kyrie 8s right here. They're on sale. They were going for regular price. Well, I guess 20% off, but not any great sales. LeBron's, I think similar price to there. Then even their deals on the Air Max 95s. Look at this. I'm not a fan of this color though, dude. I'm just not. Got that unfinished look. Okay. Huaraches on sale as well. Air Max 90s and then Air Max 270s too. So decent sales, right? And this 270s away from those other ones. I don't know why. And then Air Max Plus. Got a few Air Max Plus on sale. Not bad. Not bad. Alright, so I did see these. Look. $20 for some Crocs, some black and white ones. I'm gonna grab one of these for my kiddo. $20. They got these Volt looking ones right here for 20. These gray with the hunting colors right here. That dark green and then that bright hunting, I don't know, whatever the hunting outfits are, the hunting vests. Party animal ones, also $20. This turquoise bluish color looking one. And then this is the lined one too, and these are going for 20 as well. And then got a bunch for 30 and 40. Oh, camel one too. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one of those for my kiddo. He full loves his Crocs. And then the Reebok section right here. Got questions right there, and then got these. These have been at this price forever. I still don't understand how the midsole and the upper, the colors like that different. And then even in the midsole, like the color changes from the front to the back. I don't understand that. And then the Workout Plus right here with the really good leather. I think that's about it, you guys. I think we're done. Guess I should go pay for my Crocs. No, wait, I neglected the Vans right here. Look at this. One of their skate shoes going for $30. Normally $100. Really? Is this the last one or something? Holy crap. But we got a bunch of stuff. Look, the skate. It's just the old school. My bad. The old school lows. And even got these on sale. The hell is this? Is this the... What are these called? I forgot what these are called. I have one of these. The Lowlands. The Lowlands also on sale. These, man, I remember I bought these at like what, 70? I think they were 70, and then the retail went up to 85, 90. I got mine for $30 though. And then yeah, I just got a bunch of Vans sales. All right, let's go pick up my stuff. All right, got some Crocs for $20. $20. Nike Outlet Vlog, but we ended up getting some at Foot Locker. It's kind of the way it works sometimes. All right, let's wrap it up. All right, guys, not too bad, but not the craziest trip to East LA, but you know, it is what it is. But it looks like some places do have 20% off clearance. Some places don't. Depends on which outlet you go to. We saw the Citadel, they did not, and then East LA, they did. I'm gonna head out to a few more Nike outlets and try to get that information to you guys as soon as possible. Maybe on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. Because YouTube, man, it takes a few days sometimes, man. Ended up finding the Crocs for my kiddo. That's pretty dope for 20 bucks. Because I sure as hell ain't paying no, what, 40, 50 bucks for freaking Crocs. I don't know. It is what it is. I prefer slides, but I also don't pay full price for slides either. Because I don't know. We can pay full price for sneakers, right? Yeah, these two spots, this spot in Citadel, you guys better make sure you guys get there early as hell. Because that's just how they work. You know, resellers are out. They have crazy deals, so you just gotta go early. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Thank you so much for making it to the end. Y'all know how much that means to me. Make sure you help a boy out. Press that like button if you're new to the channel. Smash that subscribe button, because man, how else you gonna find out what's going on in all this Nike outlets as well as all the stuff in LA? So yeah, got plenty coming. Try to post a video every day. Make sure you press that notification button too, because you know, I try to drop a ton of videos. But yeah, got plenty coming. See you guys next one. Peace. Yeah.